Thanks for clicking on the end of that video. Hope you appreciated the value you got from that. Obviously you enjoyed it because you got all the way through the video to this end screen and clicked on this free download video. And I'm just going to take a half a minute to let you know I wanted to give you something of value, something that you could print out and keep with you. And let me tell you what the two are. I'm going to read them because together they're kind of like a tongue twister. But the first one I want to give you is 12 profitable salon marketing ideas. And the second one is 13 reasons why social media for business is non-negotiable. It's a must-do. So download those, enjoy them, print them out. I made them real nice colored paper and what have you. If you print it out on matte glossy with an inkjet in color, they're going to be beautiful. You can cut them. They're long and thin. Cut them, keep them, and take them to heart. I wanted to give that to you of value. I appreciate you watching the video. I hope you subscribed and became a member of our tribe. I look forward to having you in the future. Participate, and I'll have more downloads for you in the future. Thank you.